Blue tractor versus red tractor, and the blue one completely dominated by climbing over the red one. Young, inexperienced, facing unexpected chaos. The tractor lost balance, but he escaped to safety just in time. First lesson learned the hard way. Exactly how every professional journey begins. Watch this tractor. It suddenly flipped backward with massive force. Oh my God, that load is insanely heavy. Why do people take such risks? And look, exactly what everyone feared happened. The tractor flipped backward. An open well with zero protection, disaster waiting to claim a victim. A safety fence isn't optional here, it's essential. Hopefully, someone installs one before the inevitable accident happens. When brute force meets the right equipment, magic happens. Super stock pulling power turned a stubborn stump into a non-issue. Blink, and you missed it. Before anyone could count to 3, roots surrendered, and the job was done. Who drives a tractor underwater like it's a submarine? Apparently, some farmers do. Moving between farms shouldn't look this insane. Yet, here we are, watching machinery dive where it was never meant to go. Standing on the hood balances weight, sometimes, but experience separates smart moves from deadly mistakes. Without proper judgment and skills, you're just gambling with gravity. One decisive pull and freedom. The bog's tractor escapes the mud's grip in seconds. That moment of release feels like medicine hitting right when you need it most. Pure relief. The internet loves stump removal videos, but safety? Often an afterthought. No blanket on the chain means one snap could end badly. A simple winch and pulley system would do the job smarter, not harder. But spectacle beats sense every time. Hook up the machine, ignore the risks, and hope physics stays kind. Cross easily if the ground cooperates, but this, pure gamble. Tractor versus ditch. Place your bets and watch who claims victory. Mid-operation breakdown. The tractor quits. Everything stops. A road grader tows the sugarcane-loaded trailer to safety. After this, they might rethink whether graders belong in these heavy-duty rescue situations. The Kubota 4x4 refused to budge. One tractor pulling couldn't save it, but cleverness could. A rope wrapped around the big wheel created rotation, and slowly, the Kubota rolled free. Sometimes brains beat brawn, and a few minutes of smart thinking solves what hours of force couldn't.
चले चले जाने दे चले आने दे देना थोड़ा सा इधर काटिए चले आने दीजिए बस बस निकल जाए चलो आने दो चल आ जाओ ठीक है स्टीयरिंग इधर काटिए थोड़ा बस थोड़ा सा दबा रहा है
Tug-of-war battles always grab attention. Raw power on display, but driver skill steals the show. Those sudden jumps crank the tension to maximum, truly impressive to witness. The T40 conquers nearly everything, but a slippery slope tests even the toughest machines. The operator handled it flawlessly. Years of experience written in every careful maneuver. When man and machine move as one, impossible becomes routine. The Interdrain GP series operates in Dutch wheat fields, installing drainage with surgical precision. A 500 horsepower MTU engine drives it, while Raven GPS keeps depth and gradient perfect throughout. This isn't farming, this is engineering in motion.